Hello everyone, welcome to my new tutorial and my name is Abdullah Nahian. In this tutorial, we will make a website using Elementor Pro from Figma. So in this tutorial, we learn how to convert Figma file to Elementor version, and it is very trendy and popular topic. Basically, client provide a Figma file and you have to convert to WordPress using Elementor or other page builder. So in this tutorial, we will learn in detail step by step how to convert every margin padding, spaces, font size, font family, and images from Figma to Elementor version. So first go to our Figma file and check our demo site. So first go to my browser. So already I collect a Figma file, so I will provide later in video description, so nothing worry about it. So here is our site. So basically this course learning site, so our site name will be like logo Halim. There is a menu and a button, then a banner part with heading, paragraph and a button. Then we have a popular course section, popular course with their section title, course name, course summary, course image or featured image. Then we have a sys course here. After that, we have a e-learning export like something just at the left side we have an image like about us, heading, paragraph and counter section and a button here. Then we have a CTA part ready to join and a button. Then we have a meet our successful student part. We have 4 students like their name, their designation, and finally view all button. After that we have a testimonial part with slider. So here are 2 slide part, testimonial with their content or speech, name and decision with their image. Then we have a accordion part. So when user click on this part, we will expand here. Then we have a client part trusted by over 800 plus companies with their logo will be slider. And finally we have a footer part. So will be our title name, address and social icon. So basically this is our example site from Figma. It is currently in Figma file. So we will convert it to WordPress with Elementor page builder. So we can collect image, font size, line height, color, spacing, everything from Figma file step by step. So let's start. So for started work, I already installed WordPress in my local host, and already it is WordPress latest version 6.1.1. Okay, and already I installed Elementor Pro version here. So like here you have a Pro version. And for theme, I already use hello theme, Elementor default theme. This is used and nothing else. So first we need a create a page. So here I just create a new page and rename this page like home and publish. Okay, so before edit this page we have few options first. So first go to settings and go to general. So just right side it, okay, Elementor to Figma. Okay, your next suppose education, destination. Okay, and remain same, save, click save changes. Then go to reading, click static page and select home page from home and save changes. And then go to permalinks and here click post name and here save changes. Okay, fine. And before we have another one, we need to add menus part as it is our one page website. So go to here appearance and then menus. So just right here like main menu and create new menu. So here we have 6 menus, 1 2 3 4 5 like home, courses, deals, success, about, register. Okay, so from here custom links. So just right here hash home, then hash about, then we have deals. Okay, then courses, success, registered. Okay, hash courses, then success, then register, okay. So course will be after home, then deals, register, success. Okay, fine. So click on save menu. Okay, so click, we can now go to our this page and click edit with Elementor. Okay, so before this, first we choose settings to Elementor canvas, no header, no footer. Okay, fine. And then go to our site settings part, and first global colors. So let's check our global colors. So how can find colors or everything from Figma. So this may be our primary color, this blue type color here, one color, okay, here, okay, fine. So we can declare as this our theme color. So just click on text, and at the bottom just click here, this is our color code. So just click here and copy, and from here change primary color to this one. Okay, then secondary color. So we can check our secondary color like this one. Our secondary color will be #333. Okay, so choice from here #333, and accent color we can same as like as #333. Okay, this is our color part. Go to global fonts. So which font they used? So if you check here, double click or just click here, and from inspect here we can check Poppins. Okay, fine. Here again click and check here, this is Poppins, and here click another Poppins. So basically the main font will be our Poppins font. Okay, so from here our primary font, so change to our Poppins font. Okay, font size like 16, font weight like 400. Okay, so for now this one, and okay, we will check this our like 700, like our main font. Okay, is it okay? That's fine. We don't use font size now, and here we can choose text color, text size, Poppins, font size like 16. Okay, line height 24. Okay, I think for now it's enough. Okay, click on update and click here cross sign. So first we need to make our header part, this one. So there are basically 3 columns, logo, menu, and a button. Okay, so from here we can click plus icon, so we can choose this one. I think this is perfect. Okay, so first we need a padding top bottom. So first click here like here, and click and go to top. Just check here, top 52 pixel space and bottom 48. If you click here and check here, sorry, 43 and 52. Okay, fine. So from here we can go to advanced, padding top 53, padding bottom maybe 43. Okay, fine. Then we have needed logo, so just heading part, just write here Halim. Okay, so click here this one, and then go to inspect. So typography, font family Poppins, font 700, size 40 pixel, line height 60 pixel. Okay, fine. So click here, go to style part, and from global color we can choose secondary color, font size 40 pixel, text transform uppercase, and font weight, line height 60 pixel, and finally our font is 700. Okay, fine. Then we need menu part, so just search for nav. So this is our nav menu, so just search, paste here. Okay, alignment center, and from section we can choose layout, vertical align middle. Okay, I think this one. Okay, fine, and check here. Okay, so click here, go to style, font family Poppins, we can choose secondary font, we can choose text font. Okay, color #333, or choose from here our secondary color. Okay, fine, I think this is okay, and they are fonted 500. Okay, Some typography, I chose font weight 500. That's fine. And hover color, so at the bottom hover. Text color, okay, fine. Pointer color, we can choose our primary color. And pointer divider we don't need. Okay, we have a nice style, or we can choose a color, our primary color. Nicely done. So this part done. Then we have a button part, register text. So from here we can choose a button. So just paste here, change here from register. So what we need, first click on register and check font weight 600, size 20, line height 30 pixels. So first we adjust this alignment right side. Okay, from style, font family, we can choose our secondary font, secondary or text font. Okay, if a font size like 20 pixel, line height 30. If you check our font weight 600. Okay, so from here font weight 600, text transform uppercase, text transform capitalize. And finally we need to check here padding part. So just click on text and here we can choose, if you check here, top bottom 30, left right 33. So 13 top bottom, left right 33. Okay, so from here content, style. So from padding, top 13, right right 30, bottom 13, left 33. Then your color will be primary color. Background color will be transparent. Then text color will be our primary color. Okay, fine. And here we can choose another one, text color, top, right, bottom, left. That's fine. And we can choose our, if you check at the bottom, border radius, they have border radius 5 pixel. Okay, so just right here 5 pixel. Okay, and anything else, and we have alignment like center. Okay, fine. So we have almost done this part, adjustment, and we can some spaces like this one, and here few spaces. Okay, and we can add hover effect. So for hover effect, go to style part, hover. So text color will be like white when hover. Background color will be our primary color. That's fine. So our this part of it done. Click on update, preview changes. Okay, one thing missing, we had normal border type like solid. So 1 pixel color will be our primary color. That's fine. Now check again. Okay, so this part is perfectly done. So if you check out this part, I think this is okay. We can reduce few padding, I think will be more nice. We can reduce 43 pixel and here 33 pixel. Okay, fine. So our header part is perfectly done now with hover effect too. Okay, so let's start our next part. In this part, we'll make our banner section part. So banner section have a background image with overlay, heading, paragraph, and a button. So first we need to collect image. So how can collect image? So first click here or just drag this overlay here, slightly bottom, and click here this image. Okay. Okay, and at the right side from design at the bottom you can click on preview and see these images. Okay, so export this one and exporting. So just rename this like banner. Okay, fine. And we can adjust this part again as like previous. Okay, fine. So go to our editor here from home, click a new section, one column. So from here we can choose style, background type, image, select files, this one banner, insert media. Okay, background position center. Okay, then background size cover. Then we need the overlay. So how much overlay? Just click here, and at the bottom we can check 70%. That's mean 0.7, and color will be 1D. Okay. So here we can background overlay classic color like H1D. Then opacity like 0.7. That's fine. Then we need a padding. So just click here, and at the top you can see from inspect and check here top space 134, and click on button and go to bottom 137. Okay, so from here we can go to advanced, then padding from here 154, and padding bottom 134. Am I okay? Again check 34. Okay, and here 137. Sorry, it will be 137. That's fine. Now we need this text, so click here, and at the right side from inspect you can check content. So just click here, and from here we can add a heading part. So just paste here, and here paste our text, alignment of course center. Then we can choose this style, font weight 700, line height 85, size 80, text transform uppercase, color white. Okay, fine. So go to style. So first color change to white color. Font weight 80 pixel, 700, text transform uppercase, and line height 85 pixel. Okay. Then we have a text version. So it font weight 500, size 20 pixel, line height 30. So copy this one, and here we can add a text editor. Okay, and just paste here. From style, alignment center, color will be white color, typography, font size 20, text transform default. Okay, line height 30 pixel, and anything else font weight 500. Then go to advanced, and this only this value, right like 200 pixel and left like 200 pixel, and check here. Okay, almost similar. If you check here how much space they use, 314 or 3, so we can increase more space like 250, and check here, and 250. I think 200 is enough. I think sometimes it needs to value as your wish. Okay, then we need a button. So look here, already we made this button, so we can copy this button, or we can make a new button as it's like something different. So from here we can add a button here. So alignment center, change text to get started. Okay, and then check here our font size. Okay, here click here 620 30. Okay, go to style, font family will be like text font. Okay, so from here we can choose 600, font size 20 pixel, line height 600. Okay, text transform capitalize, line height 30 pixel. Then we need to change background color. So text color will be white. Okay, background color will be primary color. Okay, and I think this is perfect now, and click here for checking padding. Okay, top bottom 30, left right 33. Okay, fine. So uncheck this padding. So top 13, bottom 13, left right 33, left 33. That's fine. So our this part is perfectly done, and check here spaces from here 53, and at the bottom 53. Okay, fine. I think this space is enough, and now we can add margin top more like 20, and bottom 20. Okay, fine. So I think this part perfectly okay now, and something else. here we can check here padding 37, style, background center, background repeat, no repeat. Okay, size change to content or cover. I think our image is too small, or we need to decrease some padding from here, so we can just like 117, sorry, 137. Okay, so this part is done now, as this side. So this our banner section complete. So our next part will be our discover course section. Here this course with the images. So let's start this part. In this part we will make our discover our popular courses section. So if you check this section, we have a space top and space bottom. Then we have a section title and subtitle or description, and two columns with course name, their title and their summary or content. So let's start this part. So before start, first I download all images. So click on this image, okay, and from here design, and at the bottom if you click preview, okay, just export, click here and like name this course 1, okay, then this one click and export course 2. Then we have this one, just click course 3, then course 4, okay, then we have course 5, course 4, okay, cancel and again click, okay, course 5, and finally we have course 6, course 6. Okay, fine, and go to home page and click here. So basically we need two rows, one row for our section title and second row for courses, okay. So first click here section and add full column. Then first we need to add padding top button. So click here and at the top go to first inspect and again check 137 top, okay, and click here and top bottom to 35 or 36, okay. So from click here go to advanced, and from padding top 137 top and bottom to 36, okay. Then we can add inner section, okay, and duplicate this part. So first we need a section title. So click here and double click this one, okay, click copy and add our heading. So paste this one and discover popular courses. So add a break here. That's fine. Okay, and then here this code copy and add a paragraph text editor and paste. Remove this column, okay, and alignment center our paragraph alignment center, okay, fine. Then we can add, sorry, from here this font is 600, 45, 60, font size 45, line height 60, alignment center and color will be hash 1D 1D 1D, okay, fine. So first click on and text transform capitalize by default. So we can choose color by default 1D 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 1D, that's fine. Then font family, font weight 600, okay, yes, 600. Then font size 45 pixel, line height 60 pixel, that's fine. And then we have a paragraph and we can add a paragraph size 40 60 30, okay, 400 60 30, and color will be hash 333, okay, and change color to our secondary color. Then font weight 30, line height 30, that's fine. And go to advanced, from margin right like 300 and left right 300, okay, or sorry 300, I think this is okay. Yes. Now our session is done, and we have a bottom at the bottom. So here click here, and here 50. So we can at the section advanced margin bottom 50 pixel. Now we can course part, so we can search for image box widget. So just paste here. So first we done this one. So click on upload files. Already code all images we can open. So first one, this one. Okay, fine. Then we can add text, fundamentals of US, this title, paste here. Then this paragraph and paste here. Okay, and image position left. Okay, fine. And go to style part, and at the bottom from content we can vertical align middle part. That's fine. And go to our image part. So spacing 15 with 30. Okay, fine. And then go to our content part. So here spacing, you can check here how much space they use. From inspect 10 pixel. So here we can choose like 10. Then we can need to choose font family Poppins where 625 37.5. Okay, so from here color will be our secondary color. Okay, fine. Then typography, font weight 600. Okay, fine. Font size 25 pixel. Line height 37.5 pixel. Sorry, not spacing, line height 37.5. Then go to our paragraph version, and here 1624. Okay, so from here we can choose secondary color. Font family 1624 by default is fine. And at the we need a border. If you check here, there is a border part. So here border we can choose here 1 pixel has this color. Okay, border radius 5 pixel. So here we can first choose content or advanced part, border, border radius 5 pixel, border solid 1 pixel, and color will be this one. Okay, so from here style we can increase font image width like 35 or 36. Okay, fine. And we can remove few spaces from heading here. So here we can remove like, sorry, this one. I think 5x perfect. Okay, so copy this one here and paste and duplicate 3 times. That's fine. And from here we can choose JavaScript basic to advanced. So click here and code this image. So here just change text. From image we can choose this one. Then we have this text, full stack web development. Okay, change image to our third one. Then JavaScript. Okay, same title. We can you can change as you wish, no problem here. So first paste here. Image will be our number 4th. Then we have a photography basic rules. Sorry, this one. Click here, basic rules, and paste here. And we can add here for like motion graphics. Okay, fine, no problem. So click here, motion graphics, and change image to this one, and click on update and check here. Perfectly done. But we have a problem something. If you check our bottom top 24, I think this is perfectly okay. Problem is image height. This is not perfectly adjusted here, so I can solve this. So we need a few line code. For go to customize and go to addition CSS and click here or IMG vertical align middle. Okay, fine. Click publish and click here. Now this is perfectly okay now. So our this part is done now. So our next part will be our about us section. So we can make like this one. So let's start. In this part we will make this section. So we have two columns, at the left side image and the right side a heading, paragraph, and counter up with their title and a button. So let's start. So go to this part. So first we need a section with two columns. So first click here and two section. Okay, fine. And from here we can choose here. We can maybe we have spaces two more. We can decrease like 200. Okay, that's fine. So here we can just click on this image from design and click on export and just like about, and this is perfect. Okay, image. Yes, this image, nice. Okay, then we have a background color. So this color, this color, FD, or this one, yes. Okay, so first we can click here from style, background type, image, upload image. So our image will be about image. Okay, insert media. Then from here we can add background position center, background size, cover. Okay, from advanced we can remove padding. Okay, then this column we can go on style, background classic, color, FD. Okay, that's fine. And from advanced we need not padding here. Okay, so first this text, click here and from inspect and copy this line. So from here we can add a heading part, just paste. Okay, and from we need padding. So here click this one and check top 130, and here we can check 130, and at the left side we can check our 60. Okay, fine. So first click on column, then padding, top 130, bottom 130, and left will be 60. Okay, and from right we can click here and check 54. So right will be 54 pixel. Okay, fine. Then we can choose image. We can don't need padding margin here. Maybe something. Okay, we can fix later, no problem. Then click here and copy and text editor, paste here. So first we need this design, 600 font weight, 4560. Okay, so click here. So got the style, color will be secondary, font size like 45, font weight like 600, and font weight like 60, and text transform like capitalize. Okay, fine. Then this one is showing the e-learning. So we can remove few spaces from here, 54 to 34 or 24. Okay, no problem. This is, I think this is perfect, showing the e-learning. Or we can just 1 pixel. Okay, that's fine, and normal by default. Okay, fine. This one font weight 460/30. Okay, so click here, style, color will be our secondary color, font. Okay, that's perfect. Then we need this part, counter up. So we need inner section. So drag and drop here, inner section, need our 3 column. So search for counter. So 1 counter. Okay, fine. So first counter 3.2k plus 1 line courses. Okay, so click here, 3.2k plus will be online courses. So first we adjust our design part. So click here, number 400, 600, 45, 60. Okay, Go to style, and color will be our secondary color. Font size 45 pixel, line height 60 pixel. Okay, then our this one text color, triple the color, line height font weight 500 2030. That's fine. So we can go to title, color fine, font size 20, line height 30, font weight 500. Or we can adjustment. Okay, so we can copy here and paste and paste. So we can decrease few padding from our right side, as we have few space like 20. I think 10 will be okay, fine, 10. And for this one, online courses, okay, then 600 plus 1k plus. So click here, 600 plus. It will be our expert member. Then 1k plus ratings and review. 1k plus ratings and reviews. Okay, so we need to adjust our title part. So click here, font size we can choose like 16. Okay, I think this is perfect. Copy style and paste style, and here paste style. That's fine. And there is no option for alignment, is problem, so we can nothing to do here. And finally we have button. So already we have button at the top part, so we can just copy this one and paste here. Sorry, paste from here and drag and here. Yes, that's fine. Alignment left side, text will be read more, and button top 830 pixel. Read more, and margin top 30. That's fine. And here our image. So here click image, and from margin 0, padding 0. Okay. Column gaps, no gap. Yes. Vertical align, middle. That's fine. Okay, fine. Okay, by the way, we need to change our color. So click here. So maybe they used this one. Okay, we can replace this color from here. Style. Okay, fine. So our this part is perfectly done now. Yes, this is now okay now here. Okay, so we done our this part. So our next part we can start. And here I think online course text style, which style we use, we can use our primary. So text, yes, this one. And from here font weight like 20 if use 20, or 18, font weight 500. That's fine. Copy and style. Then we can need to adjust our font size again, like okay, so it will be online courses style, $600. Okay, copy style and paste style, paste style. We can, for this part we can decrease more, as we have lost space, and change text to our ratings and review. Okay, or we can adjust our column size few. Okay, it will be a good solution. For title we can change color to 16. Okay, fine. So all this part is done now. Okay, so our next part will be our CTA part. So let's start. In this part, we'll make this CTA part. So CTA part basically two column, left with text and right with button. So go to our editor and click a new section. If you check, we need a space here. So click here and 130 top. Okay, fine. So click a section, or we can click a new section, two column. Okay, fine. And we can add our background color. So go to style, background type, color primary. Okay, and if we check our top spacing 90 and bottom spacing 84, and we have a few space at the left and at the right. Okay, so first we go to advanced, margin top 130. Okay, padding, again check, click this one 90 84. So padding top 90, padding bottom 84, and we can check padding left like 30 or 60, and we can add right 60. Okay, fine. Now we can need this text, so ready to join. So click here, add a heading, just drag here, paste. Okay, go to style, change color to white. Then you have a font weight 600, font size 45, line height 60. Okay, fine. So go to here, style tab, title, font size 45 pixel, line height 60 pixel, font weight 600. That's fine. Now we need this text, so copy this one and add an editor and paste here. So here we can after we can add a break. Okay, style, change color to white color. I think the style will be same. Yes. Now need button, so we can similar button here. So go to here and copy this button and paste here, and this element will be right. And from here we can add layout, vertical align middle. Okay, fine. Change here, click button, style, change color, color to white color, and our text color will be primary color. That's fine. I think this is okay now, and we've perfectly done this part. Yes, nicely done. So click on publish or update and check the preview part. Yes, nicely done. So our next part will be our theme section. So let's start this part. In this part, we'll make our theme section part. So have a section title and few text and 4 member with the image designation and title. Okay, and spaces. So already we add a section title at the top, but it is left aligned and top is right center aligned. So you can very easily, so go to our editor. So first click on here and add a section, and we need a space. So click here and check, yes, 130, and we can check here 130. That's fine. So go to advanced, padding, top 130, bottom 130. That's fine. We can copy this here, copy, and before we need a inner section, click here inner section and duplicate this part, paste here. Okay, copy this one, paste here. Okay, so first remove this column, alignment will be left. This one, alignment style, go to left. From advanced, we don't need this space, so remove this space and left space. We can add just or we can different way. We can click here and check here by the. So after by the, we can add a break tag BR. Okay, fine. And then we need a margin bottom, so we can add margin bottom like 60. Sorry, bottom 60. Change text, so click here, meet our students here, so click here and change our text. So meet our successful students. So after successful, we can add a break. Okay, fine. Sorry, successful students. Yes. So first we download this image, click on this image, go to design, and from export here, so like team 1, click this one, preview, team 2, then this one, team 3, and finally this one, team 4. Okay, fine. And here we have a image, heading, paragraph, and a border. Okay, fine. So for this we can duplicate this part 4 times. So we can add image box. So just for image box here. Okay, so upload our image. So we can need those 4 images. Click here, insert, and change text, says this name from inspect. Click here and remove text, then designation, UI US designer. Okay, it will center. Okay, and go to style, image with 100%. Okay, fine. Then we need a border, so click here. Border will be like box size border 1 pixel, this color, border radius 5 pixel. That's fine. Click here, click this icon, then go to our advanced or border advanced part. Yes, then border, border type solid with 1 pixel, color will be this one. If you hide panel, yes, this is perfectly done. And we can add padding, so we can add padding bottom, so like 30 pixel, 30. Yes, then we can go to this content style part, then content, alignment left, or I think center will be nicely done. Okay, this is perfectly okay. So click here. So heading, font weight 620/30, color will be #4A4A. Okay, so click here, style, color 4A4A4A. Then font size 20, line height 30, font weight 600. And then we can click here, typography, spacing, we can remove this space 0. And here after image, this one, we can choose color #777, 1624, #777, sorry, not this one, 4A, this one, #777, or 777, yes, 777. We can increase font weight like 500, I think 500, sorry, not this one, it will be 600, semi bold, this one like 500, that's fine. If you hide this panel, and I think this is perfectly nicely done. And here we can add border radius, so go to advanced, again border, and border radius 5 pixel. And anything else, I think this is perfectly done. So just we can copy this one and paste here, again paste, and again paste. Okay, so change image here, so this second image, sorry, this one will be second image, our third image, and fourth image. Okay, so change our name, so this name from here, copy, okay, then we can add motion designer, then we have this one, designation like designer, and finally this one. Click here. Okay, and then we need a button here. So after we can duplicate this section. For now, duplicate. Okay, so we can remove all column and remove this part also. So we can copy this button from here and paste alignment center, just change view all, update, and check here. Okay, this part is also nicely done here. So our theme section done. So our next part will be our feedback or review part. In this part, we'll make our testimonial section. So we have a session title and a slider with testimonials, their content, name, designation, and images. So first I select 2 images. Click this image. Click image. Okay, and from here design, and at the bottom click preview. Okay, this one. So click here, just like client 1. Okay, then second one, this one. So just need this image. So click here. Okay, this one. So just here client 2. Okay, fine. So go to again here, and after this we can add a section. So first section here, and add a inner section, 2 inner section here. So duplicate this one. Okay, and from we can copy this one and paste, and we can copy this paragraph. So we don't need extra margin added. So here and paste, and remove this column. Okay, test align center, and from here we can click here, and from design click this text, student feedback, click here and paste. That's fine. Now we need a review part. So just here testimonials, testimonial carousel. So just drag and drop here, remove this one. Okay, so first we need this text. So copy this text here from, so click here. So we need 3 items. So paste this one. We can same for second and same for third. Okay, and then John Doe, copy his name, John Doe. Okay, fine. For image we can add select files. We have 2 clients. Copy these 2 and upload here. So first one and insert. Okay, fine. Then we can add for second client. Suppose his her name Maria Archil, like developer. Okay, so okay, sorry. So for her image, so choose here. So we need 2 item minimum. So here we can another one, just like Justin Hook. Okay, just like CTO for example. Okay, we can choose again this image. Okay, fine. So our markup done. So here alignment left align, slide per view 2. Okay, and then we can additional options, dots. We can nothing here. We just need dot needs, arrow need, yes, and everything fine. Lazy load true. And from slides we need a border. So go to style part, space we can increase. First we need a border. So first choose our border color. Border color this one, 1 pixel. Border sorry, not background color. Border size 1. Border color this one. Then we need padding 44 and bottom 22 40. Okay, fine. So we need top top 44, right 40, bottom 22, left 40. That's fine. So we can increase space. So click here, and this item 24. So will be 24 space between space. That's fine. It's nicely done. So now this part. So this color has 333 1630. So from content, so we can choose our secondary color 16, okay, 30, okay. Then as we have two items, from here we can remove our padding part, yes, and here spaces, we can content, slide partial, slide to scroll 1, and width pixel like 500, or for pixel we can choose percentage, 50%, 100%. Okay, fine. And go to this one. Sorry. Font weight 600, font size 18, line height 27, and color will be 4A. Okay, so from go to style part, and here our image. Okay, fine, image nice. We can everything fine. We can add a border like primary for simple design part. So border width like 1 pixel or 2 pixel. And here content part, our name. So name color will be 4A. Then font size 18 pixel, font weight 600, then line height 27. Then here designation 1624, color has 777. And here title, okay, so we can change color to like hash 777. Okay, 777. Font size, okay, font weight like 500. That's fine. And font family text font, okay, and font size 16. That's fine. So this part done. And finally we have navigation part. So here navigation size color, we can choose our primary color and size, okay, fine, and click update and change here. Okay, our arrow part is nicely done. And we can add okay, no problem, we can add later next section, it will be okay. And anything else we need to done? Okay, I think everything is perfectly done. Additional options, image size, okay, autoplay, nice. Okay, so testimonial part is perfectly done. So we need to make our next session. So next session will be about FAQ session. So let's start. In this part, we'll make our FAQ session part. So FAQ session part have a session title and a accordion. So I click on this will be expand, and here we have as a left and right side arrow space. So let's start. So first create a section, and if you check our spacing, click here and check 184 top, and click here 130. So top will be 184 and bottom 130. Fine. So click a section, and from here we can add padding, top 184 and bottom 130. Then add a inner section, duplicate this part, and we need a section title. So we can copy this part from copy here, and again copy this one, paste, remove this column, and add margin bottom like 60. Okay, fine, and click here, copy this text. Okay, fine, and click update and check the preview part. Okay, so this part is nicely done. So here is a column we can this one we can duplicate this part, okay, and size like 20%, and this one like 20%. Okay, fine. So for this we can add accordion. So just click and drag and drop here. Okay, fine. So our first item, so copy this text, item 1. Okay, and we have this text. Copy text and paste here. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 4. So duplicate this part 4 times, 3 4. So we can just change text. So click here, copy second one. Then we have this one. And finally this one. And we have an arrow top bottom, so we can first go to our bottom part and icon library. So icon will be our down icon, so we can this icon, okay, insert. And for active icon we can this icon. Okay, fine. And then FAQ, okay, go to style part, border width, okay, and border color. If you check our border color has 4A 4A, so we can change color 4A 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 4A. Okay, fine. Then we have content icon first, so icon position right side, okay, and then we have icon color. So if you check icon color 4A 4A, so here we can check color hash 4A 4A 4A. Okay, if we hide this panel, I think we need to change our border color. This is too dark color. This will be like this one color. Okay, fine. Then first we go to title, so click here, like 400 600 20 pixel 30. Okay, so color will be our secondary color. That's fine. Active color same, and background color we can choose like this one, RGB 45, or this one. Okay, and here we can opacity like this. Okay, then title, color typography, font size 20 pixel, font weight 600, line height will be 30. That's fine. Now we have a padding. If you check this one, top bottom 25 and left 40. Okay, so here top 25, bottom 25 and left 40. Okay, and anything, and then we have a content part 60 and color has 333. Okay, so from go to content, we don't need background color. Yes, color will be hash 777. Then padding as like as this, so we can top 25, bottom 25, left 40. That's fine. And anything else, and here I think we have margin bottom will be 30, will be perfect. Yes, update, refresh the page and go to our accordion part and check here. Yes, this one. And we have okay, we need to add padding here. So from title we can add left 40. That's fine. As like as if you check our this one, at the right side I think 40 is as perfect. So just write 40. Update. Okay, at the bottom we can check here. Okay, this is nicely done, I think. Okay, so our FAQ or accordion part perfectly done. And if we check our spaces, I think we can space more less. $10 pixels. Okay, nicely done. So our next part will be our customer or client logo icon. So let's start. In this part, we'll make our client section. So client section will be their client logo. There are 3 logo. We can use a slider. So it will be more nicely done. So let's start. So go to our editor and click here and one section here. And from we can add a heading part. And for title, we can add this one and paste here. So we can copy from this style, copy and just here paste style. That's fine. Then we can add image carousel. So we can add image carousel. Okay. So first we need to download image. So click here. So this one, design and show preview. This one. So just like one logo one or client one. Logo one suppose. Then this one preview. Okay, logo 2. Then this one logo 3. Then this one logo 4. Then this one logo 5. And finally this one logo 6. Okay, so from here we can upload image. So upload files, insert. So this one, this 6 items and click open and uploads. Okay, create a new gallery, insert gallery. That's fine. And first we can error dots. We don't know error dots. Okay, then thumbnail slide to show 6 and slide to scroll 1. Then additional options, lazy load yes, autoplay, infinite everything okay, direction left to right. Okay, front style vertical align, middle part, and I think everything is nicely done and we can everything fine perfectly. And we can add spaces. So we can go to content, thumbnail, like space. We need few space, image stretch no, navigation none, link none. We need maybe few spaces from here, spacing custom. So we can add like 30. Now it's perfectly done. Click on update. Go to this space and see, check here. Okay, fine. So this part done. So our last part will be our footer section. So let's start. In this part, we'll make our last section, which is our footer section, very plain footer section, and we have a background color and a heading, description, and we have a 2 links and social icons. So first we need to background color 161616. Okay, fine. Then we can choose our padding spaces from go to inspect and check here 130, bottom 130. Go to home page. 1 column. Okay, so first we can style color 161616. Okay, then go to here margin top 130, padding top 130, bottom 130. Okay, fine. Then we need a heading. So just here, just rename this Halim. Okay, so click here Halim and check here font size 600, font size 40, line height 60, color #FFF. Anything else? No, nothing else. Font size 4060, yes. So element center, go to style. So change color to white color. Font weight, font size 40, font weight 600, line height 60, text transform uppercase. Okay, fine. Then we need this address. So copy here. We can add a heading here. Just paste. sorry, we can this copy, we can add a break here, br, change our text to like p-tech, alignment center, then we can add font size 16, line height 28, font rate 400. Okay, then go to style, color white, font weight 16, line height 28, font weight 400. That's fine. And if I hide this panel, okay, and check this one, we can change our text, so like P2, if we add span tag or H4, I think P is enough. Okay, fine. Okay, then we have a privacy policy, terms of use. So we can add a list icon, so search for list. Okay, we can duplicate this part, natural lead inline. From here, right here, privacy policy. Don't need icon. Then remove this, terms of use. Remove this icon, sorry, remove icon, go to style, alignment center, divider on, and then go to our text color. Text color will be white color, and if you check our everything, font size 15, line height 18.9. Okay, fine. Go to text. We don't need hover. Typography, font size 15, text transform capitalize, font weight 18.9. That's fine. And here we need few icons: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Okay, so we can use social icon. So search for social icons. Okay, and paste here. So Facebook, Twitter, in LinkedIn, or TikTok. So search for LinkedIn, this icon, and duplicate add item. So search for TikTok. Maybe TikTok is not available, so we can use like YouTube for now. Insert. Okay, so first we need font size. Click here, 40 by 40. Background color, if you check this one, background color 2424. Okay, so go to color, we can change style, official color to custom color, and custom color, our primary color, like which color? 24. Yes, fine. Then we can size like 40. Okay, decrease size. Okay, 20. Spacing, raw gap, border radius 50%. So here change to percentage and 50. Okay, nicely done. So click on update and click on preview button and check here. Our footer part is done. Everything nicely done. So our full part is done now. So we make a full site. So it's time to make our responsive part. I think we can reduce some space from the top part. If we check here, padding, we can here 33. Okay, let's check. Okay, now it's more better now. So finally we need to make it responsive. So let's start our responsive part. In this part we'll make our responsive part. So for making responsive, go to the bottom and click here responsive mode. So already we done desktop part. Go to our tablet version. So at the top here, okay, we can decrease our font size. So go to style. So here like 40 pixel. Okay, fine. Line height like 50 pixel. Okay, and here we don't need space left right, so 0 left, bottom, and right 0. Yes, that's perfect. and here our button type. Okay, and here same case here, so we can decrease here all 0. Okay, fine. We can reduce spacing, so like will be 60, I think. Perfect. Okay, 60 top and 60 top, 60 bottom. Okay, this is perfect. This part is okay. We can here column, so right here 100%, this one 100%, and this one 100%. Okay, fine. And here we can alignment this button center. Okay, nicely done. And here we can column adjustment, so like here 70%, and here this column like 30% or 35, and this one 65. Okay, nice. We can here again case we can add padding top 60, padding bottom 60, and we can adjust for element center, so it will more nicely for tablet version. And same case for style, we can element center. Okay, this one same case here, we can here for text area we can margin 0. Here is done, and here we can choose margin padding top 60, bottom 60. So right done. Same case from here, from advanced we can here 0, and we can add this column like 100%, and okay, trusted by column. Here we can choose content items, items per item we can show 3 items. Okay, nice. And for footer we can decrease our padding part, so we can just like 60 top and 60 bottom. Okay, so our tablet version done now. Anything else here? So for button tag we can display none for device, so here we can add from here we can advanced icon, advanced, then we can responsive hide on tablet. Okay, then go to our mobile version. So this one we can adjust an alignment center. Okay, fine. We can decrease our font size like 30, line height like 40. Okay, that's fine. We can decrease our font size like 25 pixel, line height 35 pixel. Sorry, it will be our pixel. Okay, copy this one. Okay, this perfect. We can use paste style, and here we can column height. Click on column, and we can layout, and we can add width height or section. We can add any height. There is no option for of course height. Style, size, background overlay. Sorry, by the way, we don't use any height here. Okay, by the way, we can adjust this here, so we have padding 0 or padding 30. That's fine. This one we can add from here alignment center. Okay, nice. We can paste style here. Okay, this is nice, done. Same case here, style. Okay, same case from here, style. Okay, here same case for paste style, and it's done. So our this part is perfectly done now. So if we click on preview, our desktop part is nothing changes because we add changes for specific devices. Okay, maybe here is a problem. So here we can choose for left. This is perfect, and this one left. Same case for tablet. We can adjust same design for all device. Okay, perfect. Okay, again checking. Or maybe we change maybe desktop version. Yes, here is a problem. Left. Okay, so I think this is perfect. I try to make very simple design and try to show you how to convert a Figma file to Elementor. So hopefully you like this design and full process. So please like, share and subscribe, and later I will share with you Figma file and other sources. So thank you very much for watching my video. Stay well.